G'day YouTube, how are yous? Hope all is well. I've been given a product by Vic Off-Road to do a video on. It's the Atem Power 200 amp battery monitor. Okay, that's the box it came in. I have been entitled to speak freely on this product. This is a true video, I'm not paid for this. I've just been given this product. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. This battery monitor has real-time monitoring. So you'll always have real-time access to your battery's voltage, the current draw, the watts, the charge level, and remaining time. So here you have the voltage. Okay, then you have the current in amps. And then also you go down to your power, which is in watts. And then you got your remaining time, which is down here. So this one here is your capacity percentage and value. So hit the OK button here, shows you the 100%. Or what you have remaining amp hours, and then you got your dynamic indication here and shows you that. So when you set this, the settings automatically save. So if you lose power to this device, the settings stay as you set them. This monitor is compatible with flooded, AGM, gel and lithium batteries. So you can have any type of battery and it'll work. So you could use this in your four-wheel drive, your motorhome, camper van, in your boat, wherever you got a battery, a solar system at home, pretty much anywhere. Now, it's got about 3 to 4 meters of cable, okay, which comes from the shunt. So the connections on your shunt are very simple. So this is fitted on the negative cable. So what you're doing, so you remove your negative cable off your battery to your electrical system, and then you connect that to the P minus on the shunt. Okay, so this is your existing negative battery cable, and then you just put this near your battery, and then you connect the short cable from here, B minus, to the negative of your battery. This goes to your monitor, and that's the power to your battery. You get about 1/2 meter of red cable, that's for your power. So you just connect that to the battery. And that is your connections. Pretty simple. This is for demonstration purposes only. This is not permanent. I've just connected this to show it working. I'm not using any fuse here. Should you connect this with a 1 amp fuse, as this is very, very minimal current used by this meter. So I'm going to use this here to show you discharge, recharge. Now you can flush mount this if you wish, or you've got the mounting block which is supplied, and the connection's only a one-way, so you can't muck it up. Okay viewers, now I'm draining the battery with a 12 volt kettle, so I'll let that go for a while. So I've drained a bit of power with my 12 volt kettle. So now I'm going to charge it up now with my Victron battery charger. So I'm going to plug it in. Right, now I'll show you what it does when it's actually charging. So I've got my charger hooked up. It's charging the battery. Okay, so that's what it does when it's charging. Okay, it shows you time to go to full, and it's charging off the Victron. Now just got the kettle connected to the Kmart inverter here. Alright, so we're 0.4 amps, just idle. Okay, and now I'll turn the kettle on, flick it on, and we are pulling 52.4 amps. So 667 watts. So we've got about 1 hour and 53 minutes left if we keep just charging at this rate. Okay viewers, now to set this thing up, you just go into settings. So you go set, push and hold set. You go into a menu, okay, and then you got either one of 4 options here. Okay, so you got your capacity. It came default at 100 amp hours, so that's what my battery is. Okay, so I've got it set for full at 14.2, and these come with nothing, so you got to put your voltages in. And 0, let's say I'll go to let's say 12.4 volts. So you can set this to 14.2, you can set it to 13.8, whatever you wish. Yeah, so I got mine set there, 14.2, but you can change these values anytime you like. And I think this is the time for the LED to light up on the screen. This was preset at 99 seconds, so I left that as well. And then when you finish, you push and hold OK, and it backs out of the screen to the original view. Now, the only thing I dislike about this thing, this dot here. So you go to set something, you push set. Now, this dot here, you can probably just see that through the phone lens, but when you actually look this through your eyes, I cannot see what that number says, that value. So there's a bit of guesswork involved when you're setting. So that's 100 amp hours. Okay, so you push that once, and you go set, that's 99. Okay, so you sort of got to count the button on how many times you press it. That's the only thing I found with this thing, that it's hard to read when that blue dot goes over to what you're changing. So you can sort of see that on the phone. It comes up okay, but once you look at that, it's just a blue dot, and you cannot read what the value is until you press set, and then you can see it. You know, it's not Bluetooth or anything like that. It's got wires on it. You don't need a phone. So if you've got this somewhere near your batteries or somewhere where you're viewing the monitor, it's always there. So you can just look at it. It gives you an idea on how much power you have left in your batteries. So you don't have to fumble around for your phone, because sometimes I have Bluetooth ones and you got to look for your phone. Otherwise you can't read what's in your batteries. Yeah, it's pros and cons with everything, I guess. But that's how it is with this one. This one's just wide. There's no Bluetooth or anything like that on this. So Vic Offroad on eBay. They've got their own website, vicoffroad.com.au. I think they're tied in with Sunyi. I bought quite a lot through both of them, but I'm pretty sure they're tied in together. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, see you later. Bye.